Every airplane has its own story, and this one starts with a reunion in the mountains. My friend JR flew up to Alpine, Wyoming early that morning and got a first look at the King Katmai he had just bought, a heavily modified Cessna 182 built to go almost anywhere. After getting the rundown and a little stick time, he flew it over to Jackson Hole to pick me up. And when you're that close to the Grand Tetons, you don't just head straight home. We played the Katmai North and went exploring, low and slow around some of the most dramatic peaks in the Rockies, before turning south for the long trip to Austin. This is the King Katmai, part muscle and part precision tool. Big tires, canards, extended wings, and crazy short takeoff and landing performance. It's everything you want for backcountry flying, with the manners of a refined cross-country machine. We couldn't get enough of the mountain air, but we had a long journey ahead of us, so we turned south toward home, chasing tailwinds and sunshine.
The ground beneath my feet keeps rolling under me, and I try to catch my breath, but the dust is hard to breathe. How many hours since I
had my Insta360 X5 rolling throughout the trip, and it's hands down the most versatile aviation camera I've used. It shoots 8K 360-degree cinematic video. The AAA chip provides superior quality in low light, and the flow state stabilization and 360 horizon lock handles even the Katmai's roughest rides. I can leave this thing recording on the wing for over 3 hours. It's also waterproof, so even if I'm flying in the rain, I don't have to worry about the cameras hanging on the plane. Everything from takeoff to landing, every grin, every bump was captured in stunning detail. We couldn't resist stopping in Moab for a little desert fun. But before we got there, JR got his first off-airport landing, and he crushed it. We stopped into Cedar Mountain in Utah. This is actually a perfect strip to practice for someone who's used to runways. This is a pretty clean dirt strip. It's a bit of an uphill landing, but very flat and not a lot of ruts. The biggest thing you might need to look out for are other airplanes, UTVs, or Jeeps.
I'm a rocket, I'm over the moon. I'm out of my mind. High above Lightyear, baby, and I'm on planet 9. In a galaxy far, far away, I'm a shooting star. You are my Venus, baby. Let me be your Mars, 'cause it feels so good. Getting high on you, and it feels so good. It feels so fine. It feels so good. Getting high on you, and I'll never come down.
What's going on, guys? I am in Canyonlands, Utah. We are in this King Katmai, flying it back from Alpine, Wyoming to Austin, Texas. A friend of mine just picked this up, and we hit our first sort of backcountry trip yesterday, and we're gonna go explore a few things today. After a night in Moab, I showed JR around the area. We flew around the evaporation ponds, flew low over Mineral Canyon, and then JR decided to put it down at Horseshoe Canyon. A long but not overly well-maintained strip on the plateau north of the Colorado River. The Katmai made short work of the rough strip, proving why it's such a legend in the backcountry flying world. The Insta360 captured every angle you've seen so far. What makes it special is the freedom to reframe after the fact. It's like having a dozen cameras running at once. It's also super easy to edit with the editor and Insta360 Studio app on your computer, or just use the app on your phone and make stunning videos. If you care about telling the full story of a flight, the energy, the environment, the emotion, this camera makes that easy. We wrapped up the trip with a long haul back to Austin. Perfect weather, smooth performance, and one more unforgettable adventure in the logbook. Huge thanks to Insta360 for letting me put the X5 through its paces on the flight, and to JR for sharing the adventure and taking those first Katmai landings like a pro. If you've enjoyed this kind of flying, backcountry, adventure, real-world aviation, hit subscribe and stay tuned. And if you're looking for a new aviation camera setup, check out the Insta360 X5. There's a link down below. Hopefully there are more Katmai adventures coming soon. This is just the beginning for JR.